the hotel Celebration. This is the Discovery. Across the street there is a Wish, Celebration Wish. But this is the Discovery that I am getting ready to walk into, and this is the one that we will be staying at here at Disneyland Tokyo. The hotel has a shuttle that you can use to go to the park or back to the hotel. So as we go in, the first thing that you see is Mickey Mouse, but he's like kayaking. And there's this whole kayaking area. This is all in the front lobby. This is all in the lobby here at Disney Tokyo. Again, this is Celebration Discovery because there is a Wish next door. And in this lobby, the front counter is behind me where you would check in. And then the other side, there is the guest service. This is all the lobby. That is guest services where you can check in and get your kids' pajamas. Convenience store here in the hotel. So kind of like a 7-Eleven, but just a convenience store where if you need to get some things, you're able to get snacks and drinks, ice cream, whatever you need. So it's a convenience store inside the hotel. Walk down the hallway, you see all these like beautiful, colorful curtains. So this is outside of the hotel in the little foyer area. They have some seating and just a few little things to catch your eye while you're outside in like the terrace area of the hotel. Front counter where you check in. And now I am going to the elevator. Going to the elevator. And I'm going up to my room. So the room has the bunk beds, 2 like twin beds, and I guess you could call it like a day bed, couch, and then the TV. Here's the bathroom. It has some soap and trays, and then toothbrushes here. Wish I had known because I bought toothbrushes and soap in here. And this is the shower area right here. If you turn the corner, this is the toilet right here. It's like a little closet. It's not a lot of room. So the toilet and the shower and bathroom are separate. So if you look, they're separate. And then you go back and here's a room. They have the Disney shoes or slippers. So there is a refrigerator here. And there is a safe here. And then if you open this top drawer, there are the Japanese style pajamas. So there is one for everyone. Go to the guest counter and pick up the kids' pajamas, and it's just a little bag that has PJs in it, and it also has some Disney slippers in it, as you can see. Disney slippers in it, toothbrush and toothpaste, and some little like towel type of PJs.
watching. Make sure you subscribe.